If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
Hologram is definitely one of the biggest trends this year. But when it comes to makeup, all I think about is festival looks. But why stop there? Hi, I'm Sonam, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this craze into something wearable and elegant to keep things exciting yet very chic. Starting off with the eyes, I'm going in with my eyeshadow primer. Go in with a rust brown eyeshadow in the crease to start the base of the smoky eye look. Then opt for a dark brown shadow to intensify the corners to create a graphic feline shape. To make the blending stress-free, work one eye at a time. Apply, blend, repeat. Tightlining the eyes is very important, especially in metallic hologram looks. So make sure you go in with a black or a brown pencil on your lash line to make your hologram look pop. To get the most intense shift out of your hologram eyeshadow, you want to go in with a matte, dark base underneath it. I'm actually using the same pencil I used on my waterline to tightline my eyes. To balance the look, I'm going in with a black pencil on my lower lash line on the outer corners. To create a vibrant base for my hologram pigment, I'm going in with a purple pencil as my base. I'm applying this from the inner corners to the center of my eyelid and my lower lash line. So now that I have my purple base in place, I'm going to go in with my color shifting hologram pigment. I first go in with a fluffy brush and then with a damp finger. Let me show you how. I use a fluffy brush first to get a sheer wash of color on my eye. A damp application always brings out the intensity of the look, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So either you can stop now or you can go back in on the corner of your eyes with a black pencil to intensify the shape and make it more graphic, and that's exactly what I'm going to do now. Clean the edges if needed to sharpen up the look. Dust off any product fallout. Now add some mascara for some much needed oomph. For a holographic look like this one, I personally prefer pastel lip shades. Finish off with a lip liner and a matte lipstick. A mauve or a rosy tone blush is best suited for this look. Keeping suit with the eye look, my highlighter is also purple tone today. I'm applying this on my cheekbones, my brow bone and my temples. So this is a finished look. I've gone with shades of purple considering they're the most flattering shades on Indian skin tones. You can always use a jewel tone eyeshadow you already have in your collection. I hope you give this look a try and make your own versions of it. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.